Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelley. Welcome to the Bluey martial art lessons today. In this lesson, we're going to be practicing some fun karate moves with Bluey and his family. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like and subscribe because at the end of the video, I'll be announcing a very special giveaway to our newest comic book, Dr. Fist, The Wrong Destiny Part 1. So make sure you guys like and subscribe so that way at the end of the video, you might get a chance of winning, okay? Let's go ahead and get started with a warm-up. All right, ready? We're going to start by counting to 5 in Korean. Everyone repeat after me. Everyone say hana. Do it. Set, net, toss it. Good, awesome. All right, swinging our arms. Ready, hana. Do it. Set, net, toss it. Going the other way now. Hana. Do it. Set, net, toss it. Elbows up, rotate left and right. I'm saying hana. Do it. Set, net, toss it. Awesome. All right, having hands on the knees. Good. We're gonna stretch one side just like this. Everyone say hana. Do it. Set, net, toss it. Other side now. Hana. Do it. Set, net, toss it. Good. Awesome. All right, now this time I'm gonna take your hands, reach down to one side. I'm gonna say hana. Do it. Set, net, toss it. Other side now. Hana. Do it. Set, net, toss it. All right, hands down the middle. Good. I'm gonna say hana. Do it. Set, net, toss it. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, shake your hands, shake your legs a little bit. Awesome. All right, ready yet? Kanye. All right, you guys ready for the lesson today? Let's get started. Ready yet? Kanye. Awesome. All right, we're all warmed up, so we're gonna practice some punches. So I'm gonna have your hands up, fighting stance, just like this. Good. Awesome. All right, we're gonna practice some punches with Bluey. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. When I say jab, we're gonna throw our left hand. When I say cross, we'll do our right hand. When I say hook, we're gonna do left hand again, just like this. Okay, let's practice together. Everyone say jab, cross, hook. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Again, jab, cross, hook. Awesome. Good. Now this time we're gonna go jab, cross, hook, and then from here we're gonna go knee, and then back to your fighting stance. Okay, ready? Everyone say jab, cross, hook, knee. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Again, jab, cross, hook, knee. Awesome. Good, good. 2 more times. Ready? Go jab, cross, hook, knee. Awesome. Good. One more. Let's see, you can be the fastest. Ready? Go jab, cross, hook, knee. Awesome. Good job. Okay, now when I say switch, we're gonna jump and switch our feet. Ready? Switch. That wasn't very fast. Let's see, you can be faster. Ready? Set. Switch. Oh, nice. Good job. Again. Ready? Switch. Good. Good job. Switch. Good. One more. Switch. Awesome. Good. Okay, now this time, since we switched our stances, we're gonna use the other hand first. We're gonna do the right hand's gonna be our jab. So I'm gonna say jab. Good. Cross. Hook. Knee. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Again, jab, cross, hook, knee. Awesome. Good, good. One more. Ready? Go jab, cross, hook, knee. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Have 5. Good, good. All right, you guys ready to play a game with Bluey? Okay, so here's the game we're going to play. Here's what's going to happen. We're going to be at our fighting stance just like this. Now what Bluey's going to do, okay, is that he's going to be appearing on either this side of the screen or this side of the screen. Now what we have to do is that as soon as we see Bluey, okay, he's gonna try to attack us with a flying side kick. What we have to do is we have to duck underneath to make sure we don't get hit by that kick. Okay, can you guys help me do that? Awesome. All right, ready, hands up, fighting stance. Okay, here he comes. He's gonna go down. Make sure we go duck down and squat. Good, good, good. Ready and squat. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Ready and squat. Good, good job, good job. 3 more times. Ready? Squat. Good, awesome, good. 2 more. Ready? Squat. Good, good, nice. 1 more. Squat. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Have 5. Very, very good work. All right, we're gonna do some exercises now. So when I'm gonna go down to the floor, down into a push-up position, just like this. Okay? Is Bluey on my back? Bluey, get off. All right, silly kid. All right, we're gonna do 1 push-up my count. Everyone say hana, hana. Good, ready, do it. Good job, you guys. Set. Good, everyone say net. Good, everyone say toss it. Good, nice. Now everyone take one hand, hold it up to the sky like this. Good, everyone say hana. Do it. set, net, toss it. Good job. All right, let's go to the other side now. Ready, Hana. Do her. Set, net, toss it. Good job, you guys. Awesome. High five. Very good work. All right, Kariet. Kanye. Awesome job, you guys. Now, we're going to go head back to the dojo, and we're going to look at some questions that you guys have asked me in dojo to answer. Okay, let's go ahead and go. Hi, everybody. I'm Master Kelley. Welcome back. Now, in this part of the lesson today, we're going to answer a question for one of our subscribers named Timmy. Timmy asks, how can I get higher kicks? This is a great question, Timmy. So I'm going to answer this question for you guys in case you were wondering. How do you kick higher? Well, here's the thing. At the end of the videos, there's one thing we do that's really important. You guys remember what that is? Stretching, right? So here's how you get higher kicks. Let's pretend that we're looking at your leg, and let's pretend that our leg is like a rubber band. Now, if you take the rubber band, right, and you start doing this, what happens to the rubber band? It stretches, right? So here's the proper way to stretch. Here's the proper way to make sure you can start kicking high, okay? Let's treat your muscles like a rubber band. So every time you stretch, you're pulling it apart. Now, if you pull it too fast, like really hard, right? What's gonna happen to the rubber band? It's gonna snap, you're gonna hurt yourself, right? Now, your muscle may not do that, but we wanna avoid pulling it too hard, okay? So here's what we gotta do. Every time you stretch, you wanna just do a little bit at a time. Then once that feels easy, you do a little bit more, and then you do a little bit more, and then you do a little bit more, and pretty soon, you'll actually be stretching a lot further. You might be getting into the splits, you might be able to kick higher, okay? But here's the thing, the most important thing when it comes to stretching, or really anything else in martial arts, is you wanna take your time and do not rush things, right? If you rush into things, like you try to kick high right away, right? You might end up hurting yourself and you might fall. But if you practice things slow and steady, right? You're actually gonna get a lot further because you're not gonna injure yourself and you're gonna be able to do it for a very long time. My goal for you guys is that when you guys are really, really old, you're still doing martial arts. And there's lots of examples of people who do martial arts when they're old. Some of those examples are Helio Gracie, which is one of the main founders of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. There's also Matsuyama, right? Matsuyama, he was a karate practitioner. He's very old, right? And what I want you guys to do is I want you to think, how are these people who are very, very old still training, okay? Or they did train for a long time. It's because they took care of their body and they did stretching slowly, right? Stretching is really important. So if you guys want to get high kicks, right? I know they look cool, they look awesome. Make sure you work on your stretching, okay? So that being said, make sure you guys stick with the end of this video because we're gonna do our cool down. And also, make sure you stick to the end because we're gonna also be announcing the giveaway of our new comic book, okay? I'll see you guys there. Awesome job, you guys. All right, let's finish up the class today with the cool down. So I want everyone to go ahead, go down on one knee like this. We're gonna stretch out our hip, okay? So I'm gonna take your hand on your hip like this. I want you guys to go ahead and push yourself forward, okay? Now we're gonna count to 10 in Korean for pisa. A nice nod after me. I'm gonna say hana, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna take one foot. We're gonna pick up our knee just like this, and then we're gonna put our hands on the ground. Just keep ourselves stable, stretching out our quad muscle right here. Then we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome job, you guys. All right, now this time we're gonna stretch out this leg. Okay, stretching out our hamstring, reaching for your toes. So everyone together, everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. Let's turn to the other side this time. Ready? Now we're gonna stretch our hip on this side. Good. Now make sure you don't forget to breathe. Okay, ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good, nice. Now we're gonna take this foot, we're gonna stretch it out just like this. Good, awesome. All right, let's together say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now keeping this leg straight, toes pointing up, stretching out our hamstring. Ready? Good. I'm leaning down, reaching for your toes. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, set, net, toss it, yas it, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, yeah, and up. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna go down to our stomach just like this, and we're gonna stretch out. You stretch your upper body just like this. Okay? And we say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to do. Okay? We're gonna be on our knees like this. We're gonna stretch out our wrists. I want you guys to take your hands just like this, turn them upside down, place them on the mat gently on the ground, and then very slowly lean back. Don't go too quick, but really slowly lean back. Okay? And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. Now we're gonna take our fingers. We're gonna go this way now. Fingers down. Good. Now leaning back slowly. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. You're awesome. All right, shake your hands. Shake it out just like this. I'm gonna take one hand, put it on the side of your head like this. We're gonna stretch out the side of our neck here. Repeat nice loud after. Be really gentle. Hold. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job. Other side now. Stretching out your neck. Now say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good, awesome. Now this time, hands in the back of your head here. Stretching our neck down. And say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. Good job. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders a little bit. Very good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now we got a couple more stretches, some standing ones. Don't take your feet together just like this. I want you guys just to hang. Just hang down like this. No counting. Hold this position. Good. 5 more seconds. And slowly come up. Awesome. Great job, you guys. Ready yet? And yeah. Let's go ahead and see who the winner of the giveaway is. Awesome. All right. So parents or kids, if this is your username, parents send me a message on the About Page section of my channel so I can get your guys' contact information. You guys have won a free copy of our newest book, Dr. Fist, The Wrong Destiny, Part 1. Now, if you want a copy of this book anyway, click the links down below. I have copies in ebook and print version. Now, depending on how this does, if enough people like the story and want to continue, we will add a part 2 and a part 3. So make sure you guys click the links down below. Also, parents, if you're looking for a way for your kids to learn martial arts at home, I provided links to a 6-week program that you guys can try out, see if you guys like it, okay? Hope you guys are great rest of your day, and I'll see you all next time. Ready yet? And yeah. All right, bye everybody. See y'all later. Hey homeschool parents, are you looking for an activity to help your kids get more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelley, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at co-op, and I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week, the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along the progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.